Crafting lasting fragrances begins in nature. FRiEQ scented oils are infused with natural essential oils for fragrance day after day up to 60 days. FRiEQ scented oils connect to nature.
Hi, we're Citrus Magic, the natural air freshener with all the magic and none of the tricks. Our sprays are made with real citrus from real fruit peels that eliminates odors the fresh way. That means we're kid safe, pet safe, and super busy parent safe. These are Citrus Magic solids, super safe, super fresh, and super hardworking to absorb pesky odors around your home. If you like what you see, trust us, you're going to love what you smell. It's time to experience the magic.
Introducing PURGGO. PURGGO is a German-engineered, patent-pending, and beautifully designed car air purifier and freshener made with 100% all-natural bamboo charcoal. It's for anyone who wants to transform their driving time into a naturally purified personal oasis. PURGGO absorbs and eliminates odor rather than masking it. Bamboo charcoal has been used in many Asian countries for thousands of years to purify both air and water. It's 4 times more porous than regular charcoal, and the pores trap odor particles as air passes through, which purifies the air in your car. Giving you a peace of mind is one of our major objectives, and we're proud to say PURGGO is 100% all-natural and non-toxic. It's fragrance and allergen-free, and asthma and allergy-friendly. The charcoal is safe even if ingested. PURGGO works 24/7 passively and lasts more than 365 days in your car. It's the world's longest-lasting car air freshener. For comparison, common brands last less than 45 days on average. Finally, PURGGO is responsibly made. Bamboo is one of the most renewable natural resources in the world and can grow as much as 40 feet in just a few months. Hemp, which is the fabric used on the outside, grows without pesticides and requires half the amount of water compared to cotton. When you're done with PURGGO, the bamboo charcoal inside can be used as a rich and natural fertilizer for your garden or plants.